Imagine cruising down the open highway in absolute comfort, turning heads everywhere you go, and traveling like a VIP in a vehicle that's over 30 years old but drives like a modern luxury lounge on wheels. This isn't just a van, it's a time machine, a rolling sanctuary, and the ultimate statement of style. Welcome to the 1990 Chevrolet G20 Conversion van. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because today we are diving into something truly iconic, something that takes road trips, comfort, and style to a whole new level. We're talking about a pristine, ultra well-maintained 1990 Chevrolet G20 Conversion van, a vehicle that isn't just transportation, it's a statement, a rolling sanctuary, and a time capsule of 90s American luxury on wheels. Trust me, you haven't experienced road travel until you've been inside one of these. From the moment you lay eyes on this van, you know it's something special. The classic G20 lines are timeless, clean, functional, and unmistakably American. There's a commanding presence in the long, boxy silhouette of this van that speaks to decades of Chevrolet engineering, but what really sets this apart is the conversion package, the thoughtfully crafted interior, the attention to detail, and the comfort features that elevate it far beyond a standard G20. Under the hood, this van boasts the legendary 5.7-liter V8, a 350 cubic inch powerhouse that balances smooth cruising with serious capability. It's paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, offering effortless driving whether you're on the highway or winding through scenic backroads. This is the kind of engine that makes every mile feel easy, responsive, and satisfying. With this combination, the G20 isn't just a van, it's a comfortable, capable touring machine that can carry passengers, luggage, and gear without breaking a sweat. One of the first things you notice when you open the door is the sense of space and craftsmanship. Conversion vans from this era were designed to make long trips feel like first-class experiences. The seating is plush and supportive, often upgraded from the factory with reclining captain's chairs, armrests, and sometimes even built-in footrests. Every ride feels like a private, luxury lounge on wheels. You've got plenty of room to stretch out, relax, and enjoy the journey without feeling cramped or confined. Step inside, and you're greeted by a world of thoughtful details. From the soft carpeting underfoot to the elegant wood or simulated wood cabinetry, everything is designed to provide comfort and style. Many G20 conversion vans of this era came with privacy curtains, tinted windows, and upgraded audio systems, transforming the interior into a private retreat. It's the perfect blend of practicality and luxury. You can haul gear, travel with family, or just cruise around town in style. And let's talk about the ride quality. Thanks to the well-engineered suspension and Chevrolet's solid van chassis, the G20 offers a smooth, stable experience on the road. Whether you're hitting the open highway or cruising city streets, it floats effortlessly. Power steering and power brakes give you complete control, and the V8 provides more than enough torque for comfortable acceleration. Every aspect of driving this van has been engineered to keep you relaxed, confident, and in command. One of the most appealing things about this 1990 G20 conversion van is its condition. This particular example has been well maintained with a clean history report, which is rare and highly valuable for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Owning a vehicle like this isn't just about nostalgia, it's about having a reliable, high-quality ride that you can enjoy immediately without worry. Maintenance has been done correctly, attention has been paid to detail, and the result is a van that drives and feels as good today as it did over 30 years ago. Traveling in a G20 conversion van is a unique experience. You're not just driving from point A to point B, you're experiencing the road differently. The elevated seating position gives you a commanding view of your surroundings. The cabin's quietness allows for conversation, music, or even watching movies on the optional entertainment system, and the climate control ensures comfort no matter the season. This van is the ultimate companion for road trips, weekend getaways, or just cruising around town in style. Now let's talk style. The exterior of this van is classic and understated, yet undeniably striking. It's a statement of taste and practicality, a vehicle that doesn't scream for attention but commands it effortlessly. The G20's clean lines, solid build, and iconic 90s aesthetic are timeless. You're not just driving a van, you're carrying a piece of automotive history with you. It's a head-turner, but in a subtle, refined way that true enthusiasts appreciate. Inside, the attention to detail is what sets the Conversion apart. Luxury seating, upgraded upholstery, high-quality finishes, and sometimes even built-in mini bars or storage compartments make every ride an experience. It's not just a van, it's a mobile retreat, a space where you can relax, entertain, or simply enjoy the drive. For families, road trippers, or enthusiasts, it's the ultimate combination of comfort and utility. And here's the thing, these vans have stood the test of time. While many vehicles from 1990 have faded into obscurity, the G20 Conversion van remains iconic. It's a testament to Chevrolet's engineering, the versatility of the G-Series platform, and the era's focus on comfort, practicality, and style. Owning one today is like owning a time capsule, a rolling piece of history that still performs beautifully and provides unmatched comfort. For those who appreciate vehicles with personality, character, and versatility, the G20 Conversion van delivers on all fronts. It's not just a car, it's a lifestyle choice. It's for people who value the journey as much as the destination, who want to travel with style, comfort, and reliability, and who appreciate craftsmanship that has endured for decades. Every detail, from the smooth V8 engine to the luxurious interior, speaks to a time when vehicles were designed to be enjoyed, not just driven. It's the kind of vehicle that invites you to slow down, appreciate the ride, and make every mile an experience. You're not just commuting, you're traveling in style, in comfort, and with confidence. So if you're looking for a vehicle that combines classic American engineering, legendary reliability, and high-end comfort, the 1990 Chevrolet G20 Conversion van is it. It's perfect for enthusiasts, collectors, and anyone who loves the feeling of a true road trip machine. From weekend adventures to everyday cruising, this van delivers luxury, practicality, and nostalgia all in one package. Owning a G20 Conversion van today is about more than transportation. It's about making a statement, embracing a lifestyle, and enjoying the road like never before. It's a piece of automotive history, beautifully preserved and ready to create new memories with its next owner. Every mile is smooth, every journey is comfortable, and every glance from onlookers is a reminder that true style never goes out of fashion. So whether you're a die-hard Chevy fan, a road trip enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates well-maintained, iconic vehicles, this 1990 Chevrolet G20 Conversion van is something you need to experience. It's more than a van, it's a luxury travel experience, a nostalgic blast from the past, and a rolling testament to American automotive ingenuity. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, stay tuned for more incredible vehicles, and join me on this journey celebrating some of the most unique, luxurious, and iconic cars ever made. Trust me, once you see a van like this up close, you'll understand why it's not just a vehicle, it's an experience, a lifestyle, and a true classic that deserves to be celebrated on every road it travels.